Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm your teacher Shamaila Saab. Today my topic is cell wall. Dear students, cell wall, as we are quite knowing that it is a rigid, hard, permeable and non-living boundary of plant cell. I would like to repeat it for you again is that it is rigid, hard, permeable, that is it permits certain particles to go through it, and non-living boundary of the plant cell. Discovery, first of all, we know that is who discovered it. So it was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in plant cell. Dear students, I would like to tell you that cell wall is only present in the plant cell and it is not present in animal cell. Now we'll come to know about its composition. Cell wall, as I have just told you, is present in the plant cells only. So, the outermost boundary of the cell wall is called primary wall. What is it called? Primary wall. It is present on the outermost side. Then, primary wall is somewhat thinner, that is थोड़ी सी पतली होती है as compared to the inner wall. Inner is the secondary wall. Inner is the secondary wall and secondary wall is somewhat thicker. That is ये थोड़ी सी मोटी होती है. As you can see it, it is somewhat thicker than primary wall. Then the most important structure is middle lamella. What is it? Middle lamella. Middle lamella is present between the two plant cells. Then it has nucleus. Nucleus, as we are quite knowing, is the very important component or organelle of the plant cell. Nucleus controls the entire cellular functions. Then plant cell has another specification that it has a vacuole in the center. Vacuole occupies much portion or much space in the plant cell. Vacuole is much bigger in size. In the beginning, vacuoles are smaller in size and they are many in number. But as the cell matures, vacuole grow in size and then they fuse and a large central vacuole is present in the plant cell. Then there are small pores at the various places of the cell wall which extends in the inner direction and they are called plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata are those pores which allow the certain molecules which are needed inside the plant cell to go inside. Moreover, it can also exit the molecules which are not needed inside it. So, I have explained the composition of the plant cell, that is, it is composed of three layers. First is primary wall. We have seen the primary wall, which is the outermost covering here. Then we have studied the secondary wall. Secondary wall is present on the inner side of the primary wall. This is the primary wall and this is the secondary wall which is present on the inner side of the primary wall. And then there is a structure which is called middle lamella. Middle lamella, it is present between the two plant cells. So we have studied about the structure of a plant cell and its composition. In the next video, we'll study the composition of the plant cell wall in a detail. I'm hopeful that you must have understood it well.